Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashid. Welcome back to the Think Data channel. Tonight I want to quickly show some few skills to you in Microsoft Excel, which is part of our Microsoft Excel series. So what I'm going to be showing to you today is how you can quickly give all border to your data set and give a tick border to your data set. So I'll just show you some keyboard steps to give all border to your data set. So I'm using this data set. So this data set is a data set that I actually got from somewhere. So I will show you some few steps now on how to quickly give border to this data set. Normally, for an amateur who is just new on Excel, would probably come down here, or probably first of all highlight this data and come down here and start looking for all border. So I'll quickly show you a good shortcut to quickly give border to your data set, and that will be as fast as possible. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to highlight the areas you want to give border. So I'll highlight the data sets. I've highlighted the data set, and the next thing for me is to use the keyboard shortcut to give border to this data set. So the first thing I will press on my keyboard is the Alt key. So Alt, which is the Alt key. I'll press the Alt key. When I press the Alt key, you will see that there are some notations that comes out from the ribbons up here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to press the H key on the keyboard. When I press the H key on the keyboard, every ribbons under the home menu would come out, and you're going to see all the acronyms, or let me say the values that each of these ribbons are being denoted with. So you're going to see all of this, and the next thing you're going to press is B. So when you press your B, it goes to border. So then you don't need to look for where all border is, you just need to press your A. So when you press A, it gives border to all your data sets once. So this is as fast as possible. If I want to do it, let me Ctrl Z. So let me highlight my data. So I'm in the office and I want to do this quickly. I'll just highlight and press Alt+H+B+A on my system, and it gives my data set all border. And the next one I will teach you is how to give a tick border around your data. So it's just the same process. Your data is highlighted. Let's assume I want to give a tick border to just the header here. I'll just highlight this, then I would go to my system again, press the Alt key. When I press the Alt key, I'll press H, then I'll press B, then the next thing I'll press is T. So when I press that, you will realize that it has already given a tick border to the header. So I can do the same thing for the whole data set. I like the whole data set, and then just press Alt+H+B+T, then it gives everything tick border. And that's how to quickly use a shortcut to give all border. So you can give different border to your data sets with just these few keywords. So don't forget, for all bordered, the key is Alt, then H, then B, then A. Then for tick border, so what you're going to do is you press the same Alt on your keyboard, you press H, you press B, then you press T. So that helps you expedite your work. It helps you increase the speed at which you work, and then it gives you more skills when you're using Excel. So currently I don't normally do a lot around clicking or writing anything or clicking some of these ribbons in Excel. So I already know all of these keyboard shortcuts to quickly do some few things on my own. So let me show you another skill. You write 56 here, and you write 20 here, and you write 36 here, then you write 67 here. So a keyboard shortcut that helps you sum this without writing any code, without clicking on any ribbons up there, is just to press Alt. So highlight, you need to highlight the value, and you create just one cell where you want the total to be. So you just put that to the total, and you create that to your Excel. So it's as simple as this. So you just need to create that, and when you create that, you can quickly do a sum of your data sets of these values with just Alt+H+U+S key. So let me show you how this works. So you just need to highlight this, then leave one cell. You create one cell where you want total to be. So just press Alt on your system, press H, and then press U. When you press U, then you press S. So when you press S, it gives the sum, and you can see what it does for you. It actually creates a sum function, and it sums all the values here. So that helps you to create that within a short period of time. And I would like you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, you're going to be getting updates on some of the videos I'm going to be uploading on my channel, and that will help you. Like the channel, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you actually leave a comment. So when you leave a comment, it helps me, it guides me, and it helps me knows where you want us to actually create some lessons around, and it helps us know where you want us to explain as regards Excel. So I'm going to be doing more around this. What you need to do is just subscribe, like, share, and actually leave a comment on the comment section. So thank you for today. So I think we've learned something today, and I think we can actually move on with this. So increase your skill by liking my page, subscribing to the page, and share, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Think data, and that makes you better. Thank you very much.